Hello everybody, welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this video I am going to show how to install Vidcutter 5.5 on Pop OS. Vidcutter is a video cutter and joiner for Linux distros. You can cut the video and merge the video by using this application. Let me go for the installation. Now first step, add the Vidcutter necessary repository package into your repository. Press enter. Press enter to continue. After adding this into your repository, now try to update your system by typing apt get update. Press enter. Now the updation got completed. Now next I am going to install Vidcut package by typing apt get install Vidcutter. Press Y to continue. See, the size of Vidcutter package is a little bit high. This installation will take few more minutes until you have to wait. Now the installation got completed. Now I'm going to launch the Vidcutter package. Go to the dashboard of Pop OS and search here Vidcutter. Yeah, the Vidcutter application is available. Click to open this application for launch. Now the Vidcutter package is successfully launched. You can see here Vidcutter version 5.50 is installed. Now you can add the video files to cut or merge the particular videos by using this application. In this demonstration ends the installation of Vidcutter.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.